One of the most common mistakes new QuickBooks users make is treating their credit card payment like a regular business expense. If you categorize your monthly payment as an expense, you are double counting your deductions and ruining your profit and loss statement. To fix this, QuickBooks created a dedicated tool called Pay Down Credit Card. It moves the money correctly behind the scenes. Let's look at how it works. To record a payment you just made, head up to your Master Create button in the top left corner. Skip past the usual customer and vendor columns, look all the way to the right under the other column, and select Pay Down Credit Card. The form itself is very straightforward, so we'll just work top to bottom. First, use the drop-down to select the exact credit card account you are paying off. Right below that is the Payee field. This is optional, but if you want to track which bank you are actually sending the money to, you can select them here. Next, enter the exact dollar amount of the payment in the How much did you pay? Double-check that the date of payment matches the day the money actually left your bank. Finally, we get to the most important field. What did you use to make this payment? Use this drop-down to select your business checking or savings account. This tells QuickBooks to subtract the money from your bank and apply it directly to your credit card balance. If you need to leave a note or attach a copy of the payment confirmation, just click the arrow next to Memo and Attachments to expand that section. Once you're done, hit Save and Close at the bottom right. By doing it this way, you are simply transferring money between accounts, keeping your tax reporting perfectly clean. If this quick guide helped you avoid a massive accounting headache, drop a like, subscribe, and consider hitting that join button to support the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.